I love it when the traffic lights aren't working. We get through intersections so much more quickly here in Legazpi City. The Filipino people are so great at zippering, taking turns, showing courtesy. You have to go through aggressively, but everybody will give way, yield, and so we all get through quickly. And it's really great. And you'll be able to see on the video coming the other way that the traffic is much worse this time. Here I come from the other direction, same intersection with no stoplight, and you just punch through. Nobody's in any kind of danger. Yeah, I mean, you're very close to each other while you're doing it, but it's very effective and much better than the traffic light that was here. Just took too long. And this is similar to what happened at SM Mall when the traffic light stopped working. Instead of a 5 or 6 minute wait going through the intersection, everybody got through in a matter of seconds. And I just love the people here.